Hello children, welcome back to my channel Science Edu-point. Our today's topic is reproduction. So the process of reproduction. Before that we will discuss in short about the male reproductive system, about the female reproductive system, and ovulation and fertilization, and finally the reproduction. Let me explain in short about the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system has a pair of testes, a pair of vas deferens, prostate gland, seminal vesicles. So one by one let us discuss in brief. Testes, also called as testicles, a pair of oval shaped glands that produce sperm. What is scrotum? So scrotum is the pouch of skin that contains the testis. This is the skinny bag called as scrotum, which contains the testis. Next is penis. What is penis? It is the male reproductive organ through which urine and semen passes out. What is prostate gland? Prostate gland is a gland that produces some of the fluid part of semen. Seminal vesicles also produces the fluid called as semen. Next is vas deferens. So a pair of vas deferens, that is a pair of ducts leading from the testis to the seminal vesicles through which the sperm travels. So this was about the male reproductive system, and we will discuss about the female reproductive system. Female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, vagina, fallopian tubes on both the sides. Next, uterus. What are ovaries? Ovaries are the two organs on either side of the lower abdomen that releases an egg cell on a monthly basis. What is vagina? Vagina is a muscular tube that receives the penis during intercourse, through which the sperm travels on their way to fertilize the egg, and through which a baby passes during childbirth. What are fallopian tubes? Fallopian tubes are a pair of tubes running from the ovary to the uterus, through which an egg can travel and where fertilization with the sperm usually occurs. Here in the fallopian tube. Next come to uterus. Uterus is an organ also called as the womb, where the fertilized egg cell implants and grows into the unborn baby, that is fetus, during pregnancy. Now let us see what is ovulation. Every month a woman's ovary releases an egg cell. This process is known as ovulation. Every month a woman's ovary releases an egg cell into the uterus, and through the uterus to the vagina and to the outside of the body. So this process of releasing of egg cell is called as ovulation. Next, what is fertilization? During the intercourse, the penis releases semen into the vagina. Semen contains millions of sperm cells. From there, it can enter the fallopian tube When a sperm enters an egg cell, they unite and the fusion is called as fertilization. If the egg is fertilized by the sperm cell, the fertilized egg cell begins to divide into 2 cells, and the 2 cells will divide into 4 cells. 4 cells then divide into 8, and so on. While it travels the rest of the way through the fallopian tube to the uterus, there it implants and grows into the unborn baby, that is fetus. If the egg is not fertilized by the sperm, it will eventually be expelled out along with the lining of the uterus, which was prepared for the pregnancy. The woman's next menstrual period, it releases. So it releases during the woman's next menstrual period if it is not fertilized in the fallopian tube. If it fertilized in the fallopian tube, it implants into the uterus and it grows, the fetus grows in the uterus. If not, then it releases out of the vagina along with some linings, blood vessels and blood during the next menstrual cycle. So this was my topic. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.